Hello students, welcome to Wisdom Corner. Here I am uploading a video for those students who want extra answers from this science textbook. The first lesson is talking about the laws of motion. So I am taking some of the answers over here. First is displacement and distance. The displacement and distance answers are beside this page. The definition is here given below. Interfactual and travelled by an object in motion while going from one place to another. This you can use for writing your filling the blanks, definition, distinguish, etc. etc. When it comes, you have to remember this point for distance and for displacement respectively. Now there are some of the formulas also. I have tick mark to use those and remember those in writing the formulas. They are speed and velocity. Speed, total distance upon time required, and velocity. The box given in these textbooks you also have to study. The questions can be asked relating to these two, like what is speed, what is velocity, the features of it. And the next formula is about final velocity minus initial velocity. There are two formulas, you can apply these. Above that, it is given the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. This can be used and this can be remembered in order to write FIB, fill in the blanks. And then again a line can be used to remember for fill in the blanks. If the velocity of an object changes during a certain time period, then it is said to have accelerated motion. Now positive, negative and zero acceleration can come for definition or for distinguish. Always remember, if you use your brain power, whatever is given you have to remember properly. Uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration can be used for definition. Uniform acceleration, you can write this much, you can get marks for score 2 or 1 marks. And about non-uniform acceleration, let's move on to the next page. There are some of the boxes given here that you have to remember the answers from those. This can be used for give reason. An object in uniform motion covers equal distances. Then next is about the equations, derivations and all. I'll be explaining these derivations in the next videos. Specific video will be prepared for these derivations. There are some of the formulas that you can use while solving your sums which are given in this lesson, such as v is equals to u plus t and all. While explaining the derivations, I will explain you what does v or u refers for. This is also a derivation. This is important one, and I will show you what is important and what is not important in the next video while explaining these derivations. Here is another definition ready for you. When an object is moving with a constant speed, is called as accelerated motion. A definition. Next is circular motion. Here are two definitions for accelerated motion and circular motion. I think the definition part is complete from this text. There are just some of fill in the blanks. This is the last one definition, which is Newton's laws of motion. This can come for give reason or explain the briefs. This is the highlighted ones are used for FIB. The question can come for what is momentum and features of momentum. The box one you can use it for explaining the features of momentum, and the right hand side one, the written beside the box, can be used for your definition of momentum or explaining what is momentum. There are formulas for momentum. When you will get 4 marks or 3 marks questions, you can write a formula, features and meaning of momentum properly and gain score marks for that. Here it is given about the momentum that which are initially at rest. Two objects having different masses which are initially at rest, the initial moment for both is 0. Can be used for your writing the answer for momentum or for fill in the blanks. Here marked one is also used, can be used for fill in the blanks and also for writing the answer for momentum. These formulas can come for fill in the blanks as 1n is equals to what, 1 dyne is equals to what, and all. This highlighted one can be used to remember for your fill in the blanks. This box can be used for give reasons or short notes, action and reaction forces. Again, these highlighted texts are just about to say you that you have to remember these for fill in the blanks and not so much about it. So here the chapter ends, and I will display a video again, upload a video again for you all. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Like,